Bombs away! What's up, guys? Welcome. My name is Orgerbert, and tonight I'm going to show you how to convert your Bcoins from this game called Bombcrypto into whatever token, BNB, BUSD, whichever you prefer. So let's get right on it. First up, go to the bombcrypto.io site. Then scroll down. Then go to the Bcoin token. Click on Add to Metamask. So I already have the Bcoin token on my Metamask, so no problems. Also, make sure you are in the Binance Smart Chain or BSC mainnet network. So I have 45.229 Bcoins here. If you haven't claimed your Bcoins yet, let me show you how. So first off, of course, go to the game. I'll close this again just for you guys. Let's click play. Heck. Okay, so if you want to claim your Bcoins, go to the top right. Click on the chess icon, top right. Then if you have at least 40 Bcoins, you should be able to claim this. Also, before you click claim, this is important. Go to the Discord group of Bombcrypto, go to announcements, and make sure it is safe to claim. Make sure there are no announcements that says do not claim, or else you might lose all of your Bcoins. So let's check. Here looks like it's safe. Update about that here. You can log into the game, buy hero house, and claim Bcoin hero normally. So we're good to go. Alright, so just click claim. It will take a little bit of time, maybe a few minutes. Depends on how traffic the server is. But it should appear on your MetaMask wallet once it's done. The number here, by the left of the Bcoin logo, should be updated once you claim your Bcoins. Our MetaMask has 45.229. Okay, so we have our Bcoins. What do we do next? Next up, we will be exchanging it to a usable token on Binance. So I think we'll just use BNB. BNB, since we need BNB for gas fees anyway. So let's go ahead and convert it to BNB. So the fastest way to do that, the fastest and more convenient way is convert through Metamask. So you don't need to go to any other site. Just click on Metamask, go to assets, scroll down to your Bcoins, click on your Bcoin. Then you have two options here, send or swap. Click on swap. And then just enter how many Bcoins you want to swap. So we'll just swap 5. Then select the token. Of course, you will be exchanging it for BNB. Then click on review swap. So we will be getting 0.065 or 5 Bcoins. And you can see here the deductions, estimated network fee, max network fee. So estimated network fee suddenly spiked. Maybe we want to wait for a few minutes. Wait for it to go down. Okay, so let's try again. 5 Bcoins, BNB, and 642. 0642. So that's equivalent to around 1,842 pesos. 5 Bcoins. Compare it here. 1975, 1942. So just a little bit lower. You just minus the gas fees. Around 40 pesos. 43. So that's pretty much fine. We'll go ahead and transfer. Swap. 649. Yes, let's swap it. Boom. Processing. You want to review the swap? You can click here, view swap at bscscan.com. You can see the contract address, block, the status, transaction hash. So basically just wait, chill, and relax while your Bcoins are converted to BNB, and looks like it's good to go. So we have received 0.064796 BNB. Let's see, there we go. It has been updated. Our BNB balance has increased. So previously 0.0642. Now we got 0.06476. So the rate improved a little bit from earlier. The good thing we waited. Got a little bit extra. Some pesos. So we saved some. Okay, and then if you want to send the BNB or the token from Bcoin that you change to BNB and then you want to transfer it to Binance, you will have to get your Binance address. So let's try that. Let's go to Binance. Then go to your wallet. Go to Fiat, and Spot. Then click on the token that you will be sending to your Binance. So here it's BNB. So you click on deposit. So click on network. Under network, make sure you select BSC or the Binance Smart Chain network. Then you just click on copy. If you're using the mobile one, you can probably use the QR code. But we're using desktop, so just copy the address. Click on copy. Then click on your Metamask. Click on the token, the BNB. Then click on send. Paste the address. And just input how much you want to send. So we'll just send maybe 0.01. Just for this purpose. 0.01 BNB. Maybe add a little bit more. Okay, fine. 0.002884019. Right, so the max fee is 0.000105. Estimated is 0.000105, so it's the same. Let's just click confirm. As you can see, the transaction is pending. You can click on it. Go to the BSC scan to check the status. Right now it's still pending, so we have to wait. And now we just sit back and relax. Actually go to your Binance and you can actually refresh. Sometimes you can see the transaction also here while it's processing. There we go, it's success. Let's check this out. Nothing yet. We have to wait. The transaction has been processed. Let's see if we have received it. So BNB, right now we don't have anything yet. There we go. So as you can see, an update on the recent deposits. You can see the amount in BNB that we sent from our Metamask. So it's processing. We just need to wait for the confirmation to reach 15 and our balance should be updated. Confirming. There we go, completed. So click on back. Then as you can see, our BNB balance has been updated in our Metamask. All right. Now we have some money. Some BNB. GG. Okay, so that's it. If you want to send your BNB to exchange it to pesos. You can probably sell it on the P2P network. So how do you do that? You go to wallet, you go to funding, I go to funding, is that here, funding wallet, and click on transfer. So you select the BNB token, click on max and confirm. So just like that, super fast. BNB is there in your funding wallet. Now you can sell this to other people. Click on buy sell, sell, click on BNB here. Then click on the fiat of your choice. So in this case, we're using PHP. We're going to sell BNB. So these are the rates that people are offering. So if you want to sell some of your BNB, just click on, probably want to get the best rate. So usually it's a range from the best rate to the lowest. So this is the highest rate you can get from Zyrel. But however, it's only buying 100 to 1725. If you have a lot of BNB, you might want to consider a higher limit, like chose a rank. So if you want to sell, just click on sell. As for us, we're good. So thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you were able to get something out of this tutorial. Hopefully you have no problems exchanging your Bcoins into pesos. So GG's. Anyway, thank you for watching. GG's.